I'm going to show you how I make my sausages the Cook Nation way. I find them a lot juicier sausage. I don't like cooking my sausages on the grill necessarily. I always kind of find them to get dried out. They get overcooked easily. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And please try it at home. So what I do first is brown them. So I'll just take a little bit of olive oil. Not much. There. Here's the sausage. Cooking some Johnsonville Italian sweet sausage. I'm going to have that with some angel hair pasta. All right. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to brown these. I'll throw them in for a little bit. And what I'm going to do is just kind of brown them both sides, kind of get the char going. Char. More like fried char. This is actually the easiest way to cook these as well. So what I'll do while I'm doing this, I'll get 2 cups of water. You really just want to brown them. That's good. That's getting good. All right. So I've turned the heat back up. I got them pretty much as brown as I want to get them. So I'll take 2 cups of water now. I'll turn the heat up full blast. Then I'll get 12 minutes, open back up, cook it some more, and then put it aside. I'll get the angel hair pasta going. I'm gonna have this as a side. I like angel hair because it cooks fast. I don't need to wait 10 minutes, right? So it cooks pretty fast. That's why I like it. We had that with the sausages tonight with I don't know, some seafood, maybe some shrimp. I want to tell you, we're just a few minutes in. As you can see, it's cooking quite well. It's just boiling the meat, so to speak. But I will be browning it more when I'm done cooking at 12 minutes. Again, this is what I find the most flavorful way to cook sausage. We got the water going for the angel hair. All right, time went off. Go ahead, uncover these. And then what I'll just do is I'll continue to cook this until the water evaporates. And then I'll put the sausage to the side. As you can see, the water's not quite boiling for the pasta yet. I'll be using the same pan here for pasta, actually. So that's where we're at right now. And it looks delicious. I mean, I can eat these raw right now. I mean, well, not raw, but I can take them now. But yeah, we'll start to work on this next part after these are pulled out. Yum, yum, give me some. We're back. For my pasta dish, I'm gonna put onions and some garlic in there. With that going, put a little bit of olive oil with a little butter. Get that cooking. This is after the sausages are done. That's kind of the plan. Look, yum. Now I gotta be careful. You gotta kind of turn it down a little bit. Look how plump they are. All right, they've been cooked through. Yeah, these are good. Turn this down. Perfect. We'll take these, put these to the side, cover them. And then I'm gonna wash this dish really fast. All right, let's take it out. So what I'll do now, pour a little bit of olive oil in. Maybe a little too much, but it'll work fine. Believe it or not, I'll throw some butter in, angel hair pasta in. Let this cook. Now this doesn't take long to cook. Now that's going. Pull that back up. Nice. Turn this up. I could probably just take this off, actually. I'll put this in. Let that go for a little bit. Then I'll get my cloves of garlic. Put it in the garlic press. Nice. Just let it. Now the trick is you don't want to burn the garlic. So you can hear it, you can smell it. So I'm gonna turn it down some. Just turn it down. I got some red pepper flakes. I don't have like real Parmesan cheese, so I'll just use some of this. Not the best thing to use, but it works. I'm just going to throw some imitation crab meat in at the end. At this point, I'm going to turn it up. Actually, I'm going to throw some butter in there. All right. I'm gonna throw some red paper flakes in here. Just a little bit more water. I just don't want to thicken it up too much. At this point, I will just add that will be the dish. The fake crab meat will just be just fine, trust me. Now I'm just gonna plate it up and have dinner. I hope you enjoyed the ThaGierk cooking sausage and pasta hour on 10 minutes. Please like, subscribe, click the thumbs up, notifications on, the bell. I'll see you next time.